Why do the toxic ones always get the obsession? And why do you, the loyal, nice, stable one, always get the friend zone or the breakup text? It's because you are too safe. You are like a glass of tap water. You are necessary, but you are boring. Real addiction in relationships doesn't come from being nice. It comes from emotional spikes. It comes from the roller coaster. Psychology calls this intermittent reinforcement. If you want to plant a mental anchor in their brain so they can't stop thinking about you, you need to stop being a servant and start being a director. Here is how. Number 1. Kill the perfect attendance award. Stop replying instantly. Stop being available 24/7. When you are always there, you have no value. You need to be unpredictable. Sometimes you are warm, sometimes you are busy. Sometimes you reply in minutes, sometimes in hours. You want them to feel like they just won the lottery when your name pops up on their screen. Only uncertain rewards create maximum dopamine. Number 2. The Zeigarnik effect. This is the art of leaving things unfinished. When the date is at its absolute peak, when you are laughing the hardest, that is when you end it. When the phone call is the most interesting, that is when you say, "I have to go." Do not wait until the conversation dies. Leave the emotional high point right there. They will go home and replay that moment over and over again. That is how you live rent-free in their head. Number 3. Sensory anchors. Pick a unique perfume or cologne. Wear it only when you see them. Or play a specific song during your best moments. You are training them like Pavlov's dog. Later, whenever they smell that scent or hear that song, their body will physically react before their brain does. They will miss you instantly. Love is just biochemistry. Don't be the victim of it. Be the master of it. Want to know exactly how to apply this to your situation? Subscribe. Let's decode human nature.